Hi, I'm Mark Baker, MAB Notary Services, and today I'm here to share another episode of some materials that, a topic that I think would be very helpful. You know, a lot of times we don't think about this, and this is something that we need to address. Because there can be some complications for the lack thereof. So today's topic is going to be, can a notary be too friendly? Can a notary be too friendly? What do you think? The answer is it's a gray area. But what you should always remember, um, while a warm and approachable demeanor is great for client relationships, you as a notary primary role is to remain impartial and professional. Being overly casual or familiar might unintentionally blur the lines of professionalism, potentially leading clients to question your objectivity. Always strike a balance. Friendly enough makes clients feel comfortable, but firm enough to uphold legal standards. Basically, what this means that you can be cordial, but also have that level of professionalism where you project that you are confident about what you're doing and your reason for being there doing what you're doing. Uh, Also, remember, I can't stress this enough, and I've mentioned this in other episodes, that it's very important to avoid giving legal advice because you are not an attorney, even when a client asks you casually. You don't want to overstep your boundaries, no matter how friendly your intentions are. It can result to some serious consequences for you and your clients. Remember to remain focused on ensuring the document is correctly executed, excuse me. Identities are verified and all required steps are followed. Professionalism builds trust. And that's what you want to do. A lot of times you get some repeat business, because you are even if you work for a title company or escrow agent or a platform, signing agent platform. I mean, in most cases, you as a notary, you've already set up your own company, your own business. And while you're out there, if you demonstrate professionalism, a lot of times that could be a way of you getting repeat business, from them, because you are a notary, you have a business for yourself, and it's always a good. You don't forget why you're there. You're there representing another agency or a company, but it's nothing wrong with you letting them know what you do, and many times they may ask for your business card. And at some point, I've gotten business down the road, just for other side, like for building permits, other legal documents that they may need uh, a notary for, or even a referral. I've gotten referrals, to do some notary work. Um, Professionalism again builds trust far more effectively than over familiarity. So but keep that in mind. Um, at MAB Notary Services, we're committed to helping you master the perfect balance between being approachable and professional. For expert tips and guidance, call us at 954-738-1827. Again, that number is 954-738-1827. or visit us on our website, mabnotary.com. That is mabnotary.com. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others navigate their notary journey with confidence. The whole purpose of this is that we network and we try to help each other out. There's enough business for everybody out there. It's a lot of business, you know, ongoing, perpetual. There are times when the market, drags a little bit, but there's always something to do. And as you build up a network of people that you come in contact with doing notary work, you'll get a lot of referrals, in time, like anything. When you first start out, you got to build it and in time. And I'm going to have an episode on that where I can show you what you would need to do as far as listing your business on directories. There's a lot of free ways, avenues to market out there, and then those that you have to pay for. The fees aren't exorbitant. They are, you can do them. It's not, um, and I'm going to have an episode where I talk about the equipment you would need, like printers and so forth. In addition, in other episodes, I have mentioned the tools, like of course your notary stamp, the notary journal. A journal is not really required in Florida, but I always keep it. It's a good idea, because you never know if something should come up much, much later. You have that to go back to where you have your notes in that journal where it indicates, what time you went to a certain place, what notary um, act that you did at that particular place, who did you meet with, the time, date, and that may help you if something should come up later, that would involve you. You would have a record of it, and so it's always good to have that. Even though it's not a requirement in Florida, but it's something that when I went through the various trainings, they mentioned it, and I see where it's a good idea to have something like that. Um, Again, I can't stress enough for you to make comments. Please comment. Um, Whether it's good or bad, that's the only way I'm going to learn if what I'm doing is effective and this is something I really want to do and I want it to be helpful. I don't just want to be just here, just throwing things out there. I want where, anyone viewing this, the viewing audience, can learn from this. So comment. Tell me if you've watched some of my other um, videos. If the topics I covered, did I cover enough in those videos? Is there something more you will want to learn from those videos? If it's something I haven't yet covered that you would be interested in me creating a video to cover that, please comment, because then that would help me prepare for, to present something that you would desire and that could be helpful you in your notary journey. That's what it's all about. We help each other. I do believe in that. We were put here for a reason, and we weren't put here alone. So we should do whatever we can to help one another. You feel good about it. When you're giving is good instead of taking. Giving is good. So please like, subscribe, comment, share. Let's help each other in this notary journey. Until next time, happy notary.